We are entering an era where the cheapest bid is not automatically the winning bid. The best solution and the winning bid arise from a superior understanding of the customer's need, even when the customer fails to express this need. We offer the customer what the customer asks for, but being experts, we also suggest a better alternative. One that is so good that the customer feels that they are losing out if they don't grab it. Broker estimate is part of BSM, and as such, one of the best bidding tools in the world. It makes the bid transparent to the customer. It includes comprehensive tools for solution refinement, competitive bidding by suppliers, and even automatic error detection. Apparently, Broker Estimate is the only application in the world that includes full cost calculation. That is based on your own knowledge of price formation built up over the years. And finally, only your imagination is the limit to what you use the calculations for. As an example, a basis for project structure that we are used to looking at in, say, MS Project. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.